Hi, I'm Alyssa Marqua. I'm the owner of Catalyst Art Studio. We opened in January of 2016. We have a lot of different things here. We offer birthday parties. We also have monthly classes for adults and children. We offer them on our website. We have a sign-up page there, and you can see what we're doing every month. We have summer camps, and when the kids don't have school, we offer camps as well. The age range is 4 to 12. We also have open studio. So the way that open studio works is you can actually come in. We're open Thursday through Sunday, and you can pick whichever ceramic you'd like to do. Our prices on average are $20, and I would say it depends on the piece that you choose. You can also select from hundreds of different paints, and you can actually take the piece home the same day. We use a non-firing glaze, and it looks very shiny, just like it was kiln fired. We recently moved into this new location a year ago. This was Knuckleheads, and it's been great since we've moved because we actually have a separate party space in the back for birthday parties, private parties, fundraisers, whatever you'd like to do. And then we have the front area, which has the ceramic painting. We have tons of 3D prints available too, which are a lot of fun. And while you're in the area, be sure to check out all the other businesses around here. There's so much to see. We have a lot of great restaurants in the area. There's plenty of shopping that you can do. I really love Wallingford. It is amazing. Hope to see you soon. Bye.